Let's see how to adjust the vibrating ball. This vibrating ball is suitable for screws, nuts, and other products. We call it a universal vibrating ball. The adjustment methods of the universal vibration ball are as follows. First, loosen these two screws. Then the plate can move back and forth. Let's take this nut as an example. The nut goes through the channel, and the channel needs to be just the right size for the nut. Neither wide nor narrow, suitable for the size of a nut. So this channel is okay. And then just tighten this screw. Tighten the screw because it may shake it off when it vibrates. The product will then pass through this discharge gate. The function of this discharge gate is that it only lets one nut through. If it is two nuts, it will cause accumulation. But the discharge gate will remove one, allowing only one nut to pass through. The discharge gate is also adjustable in width. Loosen the screw first. Find the channel size suitable for the product size, and tighten the screw. Next to the air blow. This air blow is blowing the product into this tube and letting it be sensed by a sensor. Adjust the size of the heat regulator according to the size of the product.